Hello, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to make sweet potato from scratch and making a nice dinner for your family. So I have the potato here. I'm washing it, making sure I remove all the dirt very well. You can see all the dirt in that bowl. So you just wash it to make sure it's clean. There are different ways you can make your potato. You can fry it or you can bake it. You can boil it and make mashed potatoes. Different recipes. Potato is very good for your body. It has a lot of antioxidants that your body needs. So now I'm rinsing it off after the first time, removing all that dirt, and preparing it to make a mashed potato. So today I'm gonna be making mashed potato, very delicious mashed potato that you can make for your family, for dinner, for lunch, very delicious. So once that has been washed, I'm going to place it in a pot, add some salt, and boil it till it's soft. Okay. So potato is healthy for your family. It's good for your eyes, your skin. It has a lot of antioxidants that is beneficial for your body. And let me know if you like this kind of recipe. Please like, share, and subscribe. And then I'll continue making good videos like this. Subscribing helps my video to reach a lot of people that need to know how to make some recipes for their family. Okay, so this is where I'm checking to see if the potato is soft. Potatoes are soft. I'm draining the water out, and now I'm going to peel the skin of the potato and start to mash it. Okay. Comment below and let me know what you eat with your potato, how you make your potato. Do you eat sweet potato or do you eat plain potato like russet, and not this kind of potato? All right, so once that is peeled and it's good, then we just cut it up into small pieces so that we can mash this without any difficulty. We mash it up. So for this recipe, I'm going to be using several ingredients. I'm going to use cinnamon, nutmeg, butter, coconut milk. So I have some coconut milk here. I'm going to put all the ingredients detailed in the comments description below. Okay, so butter here, some brown sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, and then a pinch of salt, just a little bit of salt. Okay, and then once that is good, I'm gonna mix all this up and make sure it's nice and smooth. So I just keep mixing. If you have an hand whisker, you know what I mean. If you had a whisker, you can use this to mix the potato as well. So I'm gonna be eating this with some steamed broccoli, okay, and some salmon. Salmon is in the air fryer, and then I have the broccoli steamed. Then after that, I add black pepper, add some salt, and then mix it up and serve. Okay. So I will be serving this potato here. Looks nice and delicious. I added extra butter and brown sugar mix on there. Okay, so that's the brown sugar, just to give it extra flavor. Right, and I will serve this with broccoli. And then the salmon I placed in the air fryer. Just looks delicious. Please like, share, and subscribe. And then I will see you on the next video. Thank you so much for your support. Have a good day, good week. Thank you.